Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Trezor to the Sparrow Wallet on PC. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful Bitcoin desktop wallet that works seamlessly with the hardware wallet for the maximum security. And by connecting your Trezor device like Trezor, one or more T to Sparrow, your private keys stay on the device, not on your computer. This means even if your PC is compromised, your Bitcoin remains protected. So simply plug your Trezor into your PC using the USB cable and unlock it using a pin. And make sure your Trezor is already set up with a seed phrase and keep the device connected and unlocked. And after that, you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet on your Windows. On the search, find your Sparrow Wallet. Over here, you need to open to your Sparrow Wallet. And over here, select to this new wallet here and enter your name for the wallet and select create. Over here, once you reach into this interface, on the bottom, you can find this key store. What you can do is simply connect to a Trezor in the wallet setup. Select to this hardware wallet here. And from here, you can find to this connect Trezor. If you don't find the Trezor, you can select to this scan or connect, and Sparrow will detect your Trezor automatically, and Sparrow will display available accounts for your Trezor and choose the correct script and confirm the selection. And that is it. Your Trezor is now securely connected to your Sparrow Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.